Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can remove your frame from your Facebook profile picture. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply start our video now. So to do so, first of all, what you will do is simply just go to your Facebook profile and tap on this profile icon over here. Then tap on your profile again, go to see this select profile picture option and go to this option called album. Tap on your profile pictures option. Here you can see your previous profile picture without the frame. Simply tap on that picture, undo this newsfeed option, tap on the save option over here, and you can see your profile photo has been uploaded. My profile picture with the frame is not there anymore, it's changed. And the other thing, simply tap on your profile over here, go to see profile picture, tap on this three dot, you can see delete photo. Simply delete this profile picture with the frame as well and add a new one there as well. So you can simply remove your profile picture with the frame in your Facebook profile. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and I'll see you guys next time.